Hi friends, good morning. Today I come with my new VM topic, that is Forescout VM installation over EXI server. I have already a EXI server. The below mentioned things I have already mentioned the requirement for the Forescout VM installation, that is RAM of 16 GB which is recommended, processor 4 core i5 if you have it is better, hard disk size 300 GB, and the guest operating system is Linux and the version is Linux Red Hat Linux 64-bit. These are the below mentioned details which you need to install VM Forescout VM. Now I'm going to start my installation on my EXI server. Thank you. Hi everyone, good morning. Today I am coming with a new video that is on Forescout Lab, and before this I'm going to give you some idea about the Forescout. It is a NAC solution, network access solution, which provide the complete visibility what is going on your network. And before creating a NAC machine, I give you the that is a basic what are the virtual machines basic configuration we need for a Forescout. If I'm talking about RAM, we need at least 16 GB of RAM. Processor, we need 4 core i5 better, that is recommended. And if I'm talking about SSD oblique, at least 300 GB. Okay guys, this is the requirement for the Forescout. And now I'm creating a machine on my EXI server. And before starting I will show you, you need a ISO storage file, ISO file. Let me show you, it is already in my folder. This is okay, this one. And how will you upload this file? If you have an ISO file and you want to upload, you can upload from here. Okay, you can see this, I have already, this is on my storage. And now I'm going to start my virtual machine, creating a new virtual machine. First option, creating a new virtual machine. Second option is deploy a virtual machine from OVF. If you have a OVF or OVA files, you can use that. And I'm in my case I'm going to create a new virtual machine. Going to create machine name for Scout Lab, and compatibility XI 6.7 Linux, and in Red Hat. In Red Hat you need 64-bit. Minimum 4 core, I have selected here 8 core. Now I'm going to create my virtual machine. I'm assigning the RAM 16 GB, storage space I am giving 300 GB, network already attached. And now I'm going to select the ISO file. Here these are the two options, host device or data storage. I'm going data storage. In ISO folder I'm selected my CounterACT 8.2.2. And doing next. This is the review. 8 core CPU, 16 GB memory, RAM, 300 GB storage space, and finish. Now you are able to see that it is created, and now I'm going to start my virtual machine. Yes, my ISO is boot. Now once I selected here CounterACT. These are the some initial checks done by system. Now my file, now the installation process started. The installer is about to erase all the data. Here I select yes. Preparing installation device. Please wait. Updating installation folder. Installing Forescout. Extract Forescout images. I have to wait for all these steps to be complete. Copying Forescout packages. Installing Forescout package. Configuring default. Updating boot. Finalizing. Copying guide GUI installation file. Creating host partition. Yes, Forescout installation finished successfully. Press enter to reboot. The first phase is completed. This is the second part where we have to configure our Forescout. From the above following points, we have to choose first one, configure Forescout. Select high availability mode. First, in our case, we are going for standalone. Yes. Certification, compliance mode. No. Disk encryption. No. Forescout appliance. Select Forescout installation type. Installation type. We choose in our case second. License mode. We are going to choose second one. Flex license. Enterprise manager machine description. For password, please configure your own password. Host name of the machine. Yes. Now this is very crucial part because through this management IP address we are able to access the Forescout machine. Netmask, if you want to give some other, can give or enter by default gateway 172.16.1.1 MAC gateway, IP version 6, none, domain name, DNS. Yes, we have DNS. Now this is the summary report that we have what we have configured, and now I'm going to test my DNS and gateway. Checking default gateway, okay. DNS resolved, okay. Enter to move into the summary and done. Finalizing Forescout, this will take a few minutes. Finalizing Forescout setup, this will take a few minutes. Starting Forescout services. Yes, our installation is done, and now with the help of this link https 172.16.1.70/install, we can download the installer. I will show you how you can do this. Colon 172.16.70, sorry, 70 slash install install. Yes, now you will see the option download the installer.